let me tell you. My name is Shivendra Malik. So basically, I'm community manager of you guys. Like I am responsible for getting the leads and also talking to the people and if somebody is having any trouble with the leads, so we are like not only me, it's like my team is also there, so we are helping you out. Okay, and what we will do is like we will be sharing some leads. So yesterday we had a lot of leads. If you have not watched the video, it is on the name of like a broadcast. Second video is the video will be there in the group only, and we have posted that in the also in YouTube also we have posted. So today let me tell you how many leads we are gonna have. So today we don't have much, so we have like around 16 leads today. Okay, so let me start like one by one. So before starting this thing, like I want to tell you guys, like please add this group, because every day we are going to share the leads, right? And suppose if you're not finding the link of this live video, what you can do is like you can just come into this group, and the live video will be on the top itself, right? Hardly one or two posts will be there, or maybe it will be on the top only. So you can join this group. The group name is like group/Eternitech, or you can search with the group name as like Eternitech IT Leads. So this is the one. And suppose if you guys are not there in Telegram, you can Telegram also, a lot of leads will be coming. So in Telegram, if you're not there, you can WhatsApp this number, like his name is Samir. So his number is like 7065363830. 7065363830. So you can WhatsApp him. He will be sharing you the link of Telegram, and suppose Twitter, LinkedIn, anything you want, he will be sharing you the link of that. Okay. Hi Neha, what's up? So the next thing is like I will be sharing the leads. Some of you will be knowing about that. Like I will be sharing the leads, and you need to comment the number below. Like I need lead number 6. I need lead number 4. So you need to comment that particular number, right? So once you are commenting that number, like from our side, Amit will be sending you the lead, right? He will be pinging you the lead details, like what is the entire details, what is his name, what is his number. So I will be sharing only the lead number and the lead, like what is the content, like what they need actually. Okay. So I'm starting it. Like till yesterday it was like till lead 71. So I will be starting from lead number 72 from today. Okay. Hey, hi Rajendra, what's up? So let me start it without any delay. So we will keep the video short because we were waiting for some people to join. So we have already waited like a lot of time already have gone. So I'm starting. So lead number 72. Okay. So lead number 72, they are looking for full-time 2 to 3 years experience coordinator developer. So they are looking for coordinator developer. It is lead number 72. So if you need lead number 72, please comment below that I need a lead number 72, right? Next lead is like lead number 73. Lead number 73 is like they're looking for full-time Java HTML developer, right? They need Java as well as HTML. So that is like lead number 73. Then next one is like lead number 74. Lead number 74 is like they are looking for 10 Angular developers, right? They are looking for 10 Angular developers with 5 years of work experience minimum, right? And like if they are also looking for if somebody is having Angular JS experience. Okay, so that is lead number 74. They are looking for, okay, that is Angular only. So lead number 74, they are looking for 10 Angular JS developers with minimum 5 years of experience, right? So next one is lead number 75. So lead number 75 is like they are looking for like OYO clone. So something like OYO clone, right? Applications OYO clone. Lead number, that is lead number 75. Next is lead number 76. Okay, lead number 76 is like is there any Flutter WordPress developer? So they are looking for Flutter and WordPress developer, so both. So that is lead number 76, right? The next one is lead number 77. Lead number 77 is like urgently they are looking for website designer, right? So if you have website designer, you can comment below that I need lead number 77, alright? The next one is like lead number 78. So lead number 78, they are looking for I don't know exactly, it is like years of experience or number of developers, but still I'm mentioning they're looking for Angular developer, Ruby on Rails and Java, right? So in Angular developer it's written 3, so I don't know whether it's 3 years experience or how many people they're looking for. So Angular developer 3, ROR is like 4 and Java developer is 8. Okay, so that is lead number 78. Next one is like lead number 79. Lead number 79 is like I need Java developer and they need a resume. Okay, so suppose if you need this lead, you need to comment below that I need lead number 79. So lead number 79 is like I need Java developer, right? Next one is like lead number 80. Lead number 80 is like they're looking for Angular and Java developer. Minimum experience is like 5 and they are looking for full-time freelancer or a small agency. Okay, so they are looking for like lead number 80 is like Angular and Java developer, Angular plus Java developer, minimum experience is 5, so that is lead number 80. Next one is lead number 81. So lead number 81 is like they are looking for 2 business development executive and they must have minimum experience of 1 year in sales and marketing or business development in the sector of IT, right? So they are looking for business development executive. Lead number 82. Lead number 82 is like they are looking for freelance graphic designer. So if you have freelance graphic designer, you can comment below 82. The next one is like 83. 83 is like they are looking for Python developer, right? So if you have Python developer, comment below 83. Next one is like 84. 84 is like they are looking for a graphic designer, right? So they are again looking for graphic designer. So that is lead number 84, right? Next one is like lead number 85. Lead number 85 is like they're looking for Shopify developer and it's a urgent work. So if you have a Shopify developer, you can comment below lead number 85. Okay. Next one is like lead number 86. So lead number 86 is like they are looking for CA management system, like CA means chartered accountant or advocate management system, right? So that is like lead number 86. Next lead is like lead number 87. So lead number 87 is like they are looking for some senior SEO at Cochin for a leading software company. Minimum experience is 3 to 6 years of experience and must have sound experience in on-page and off-page SEO, right? And must be well known with the tools like SEMrush, Href, Ubersuggest, Neil Patel, all these things, right? And salary is like they have not mentioned, so it's negotiable, right? So whomsoever is interested, they can share the resume. It's a very urgent requirement, right? And they want to hire immediately. So that is lead number 87. They are looking for senior SEO person, right? Next one is like lead number 88. Lead number 88 is like they are looking for ASP.NET person, right? And salary is like 15 lakhs per year, per annum. And experience is like minimum 5 years of experience. And candidate should have good communication and technological skills. Okay, and company is UK based. It's a full-time remote job. It's no need to go to UK. You can work from home. And freelancers can also apply, right? Next one is like 89. That one was lead number 88, who was looking for ASP.NET 5 years experience. Next one is like lead number 89. Lead number 89 is like they are looking for WordPress developer. And they are looking for WordPress developer. We are looking for forward to work with passionate, responsible and dedicated person. 1 to 2 years of experience. Skills needed are HTML, CSS, jQuery, PHP, right? And CSS and React.js animation skills. This job is again remote, like 89, number 89, which I am talking about right now, WordPress developer. This WordPress developer is also like the job is like remote only, and you can send a resume there. Okay. Next one is like lead number 90. Lead number 90 is like he's looking for Umbraco developers, like they're looking for 4 Umbraco developers minimum experience needed is like 5 years, right? So these are the leads what we have till now. So if you have any doubts or questions, you can let me know, and please don't forget to join this group. What we will do is like we will be sharing leads every day. So today there are not much leads, so some days leads will be more, some days leads will be very less. Yesterday we have shared almost like 57 or 58 leads, right? So please don't forget to join the group, okay? And let me do let me tell you very quickly once again if you have missed out anything. So I will be telling very shortly again once again. So very quickly I will be telling, and only this particular technology I will be saying, okay? So lead number 72, they are looking for Codeigniter. Lead number 73, they are looking for HTML developer. Lead number 74, they are looking for Angular developers. Lead number 75, they are looking something like OYO clone. Lead number 76, they are looking for a Flutter and WordPress developer. Lead number 75, they are looking for a website designer. Lead number 78, they are looking for Angular, ROR and Java developer. Lead number 79, they are looking for Java developer. Lead number 80, they are looking for Angular Java developer. Lead number 81, they are looking for business development executive for IT company. Lead number 82, they are looking for graphic designer. Lead number 83, they are looking for Python developer. Lead number 84, they are looking for graphic designer. Lead number 85, they are looking for Shopify developer. Lead number 86, they are looking for CA management system, advocate management system. Lead number 87, they are looking for SEO, senior SEO and coaching. Lead number 88, they are looking for ASP.NET. Lead number 89, they are looking for WordPress developer. Lead number 90, they are looking for Umbraco developers, right? So thank you. So we will be ending this broadcast right now, and thanks for joining, and please go through the video, and whichever lead you think like you can deliver, you can comment down the number below, and Amit will be helping you out. And don't forget to join this group, right? So every day we will be broadcasting leads, so don't forget to join, okay? Thank you guys. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Bye bye. See ya.